Monkey have one banana. Banana very rare. Rare thing valuable. Monkey happy. If monkey grow many banana, banana everywhere. When banana everywhere, banana not special. Banana value go down. This inflation. If monkeys want more banana, but banana farmer grows same amount, banana hard to get. Hard thing expensive. Banana price go up. This demand inflation. If banana farmer have problem, seed expensive, water expensive, work hard, farmer raise banana price. Not because monkeys want more, but because banana cost more to make. This cost inflation. Now new problem. Banana amount same, monkey demand same, but monkey have more leaves than before. More leaves chasing same banana. Leaves lose value. Banana price go up. This monetary inflation. Monkey government see banana expensive. Monkey government panic. Monkey government print more leaves. Monkeys buy banana. Banana price go up again. Monkey government print more leaves again. Banana price go up again. More leaves, higher price. More leaves, higher price. Monkey confused. Monkey angry. Monkey poor. Leaves become useless. Monkey need wheelbarrow for leaves. Banana cost million leaves. This hyperinflation. Monkey government say, enough. Monkey government burn leaves. Monkey government make sticks. Sticks new money. Inflation not always bad. If monkey leaves increase same speed as banana price, monkey okay. If monkey leaves increase faster than banana price, monkey rich. If monkey leaves stay same but banana price go up, monkey poor, monkey sad. Monkey is us. To beat inflation, monkey must own banana trees, not just hold leaves. Banana grow, leaves decay. Sometimes inflation go bananas. Subscribe.